At the rising cost of bread, no one wants spoilage to occur. Follow this method and your bread will never spoil again. All you need is your choice of butter or ghee, any type of bread your family enjoys. Also, separate bags for buns, bagels, or any other type of roll. Now all you have to do is follow the prompts on the screen. An additional reason to freeze the bread is because it makes it healthier. Scientific studies show that the human body responds favorably to bread that has been buttered and frozen before consuming. Remove the bread from the freezer when you need it, and an additional health benefit: toast it. The bread will taste just as fresh as it was the day you brought it home. I have utilized this method for years and will continue to do so. Try out this method and let me know how you like it. As far as freezing bread being healthier for your body, don't just take my word for it. Do a little bit of research for yourself and you will find out I am spitting facts. This applies to any type of bread: white bread, whole wheat bread, spelt, etc. However, I do suggest the usage of ghee, and if you want to know why I utilize ghee, check out the next video. The UHCEO. Shalom.